I am going to give you 7 ways in which you can make 7 figures as a makeup artist. If that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Hey dolls, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Jump on into today's video. So as you guys know, I did a recent video about a year ago, and I was explaining to you guys how to make money as a makeup artist. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys 7 tips, or 7 tips how you can make 7 figures as a makeup artist. Masterclass, having your own classes, having one-on-one classes. I don't know if you're a makeup artist or if you're a makeup girly. I know you have been seeing the trend going around a lot lately, like everybody is teaching somebody how to do makeup, whether they're doing it on YouTube, whether they're doing it via Zoom, whether they're doing it one-on-one, but everybody is teaching everybody how to get their makeup done. So if you're a professional, you actually know what you're doing and you know how to articulate your skills well, then you can offer classes. As I said, you can offer it online, you can offer it one-on-one, or you can do YouTube, I presume, but classes, ideal. That's the number 1 tip I have. For the second tip, I have having a master course for upcoming MUA. So it's basically feeding off of tip number 1, but having a master course meaning you're only focusing on upcoming or aspiring makeup artists, in a sense where they're not professional, but they have the skill and they want to hone their skill. You can niche down on that and use that to your advantage. So say for instance, you know, like a group of girls, you can niche down on that and say, okay, I've been in this field for whatever how many years, and I'm going to teach you my experience as well as teach you my skills. So yeah, honing on that. And the thing about this is you dictate your prices. So if you want to charge, if you want a one-on-one class, if you want a one-on-one class, you can charge like 8,000, 10,000 Jamaican dollars. And if you want like a master class, like it's a group, you can charge like $20,000, $30,000. Like the price varies on what is it you're going to be teaching them. So on to the next tip. The next tip is affiliate marketing. Let me break that down for you. So let's use me as example. I'm a makeup artist. I do YouTube. For example, I use the Black Radiance palette, and I love the Black Radiance palette, and I'm always talking about the Black Radiance palette. I can have an affiliate link to know that if you purchase the Black Radiance palette via my link, then I'll make a commission off that. So if you have a platform, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, I believe, I'm not sure about the Facebook, but any social media preference, and you decide, say, hey, you can use magic links, or you can work directly with the company. If you have it, if you're big like that, you can work directly with the company. But as I said, affiliate link or links, whatever, it can make so much, because if you do have a presence on any social media platform, you can make a solid at $500, $5,000. And when I say $500 and $5,000, I'm talking about USD. You can. The next tip is monetizing your social media platform. So in a sense where, back to me, I do YouTube, I do TikTok, I do Instagram. If you have reached the requirements, say you do all three platforms and you have reached the requirements of monetization, you know, for every ad watch, I know that is it on YouTube. For every ad watch, there's a commission earned on it. So you monetize a channel, you know that so far you can make unlimited amounts of money when it comes to social media and with monetization and AdSense and all of that. So you have a strong presence on social media, or you have a strong following. Same thing, you have a strong following on Instagram. Like, monetize your content, start earning from your content. So you know that, okay, say your set salary is like at $10,000 USD, again, $10,000 USD, and you know that, all right, I make 10,000 USD for the month, but I know if I monetize my Instagram, I can make up to 10,000 USD for the month. So you see, do the maths. Like, it's 2023, like, we're all about getting the bags. We're getting the boxes. I don't know about you, but I'm getting it. The next one is doing product review. So this as well ties into the affiliate marketing. So back to the point, previous example, Black Radiance. If Black Radiance sponsor me and I come on social media and I say, hey, I use this product, I rave about this product, it's a good product, and it actually works, then you know your fans are going to buy it, your supporters are going to buy it, and then you make a commission off of that. Or what you could do, if you get a sponsorship saying, once you promote this product, you get paid this amount of money. So you know that's a next source of income. So for instance, you work with a brand for 3 months. For every post you make, it's $1,000, and you post once a week for 3 months. Do the math. That's another source of income. Correct me if I'm wrong. The next, what number we reach? I don't know what number we reach. If you guys see me looking down, I'm actually reading, but I don't know what number we reach. So the next tip is paid products. Like, this is a it thing now, and it piggyback off of masterclass. So for instance, you're offering classes, or you're offering services, as in you're freelancing, and you say freelance, and you niche down and you only do bridal, like you only do bridal makeup. You can offer products. Say for instance, what they call it, ready-made packages or pre-made packages. You can offer that to your, or sell it to your bride. For me personally, I rather give them to my bride, but I'm just making an example here. So with that, you have your products that you sell. Or another example, you as a makeup artist, again, you're always raving about Black Radiance. Like, you love Black Radiance gone to bed. If you were supposed to go out there and sell Black Radiance, so for instance, a customer come in and she like how you do our contour, she like how you do put down our foundation. After you sell her your class, you tell her that, hey, you can come to my class and I'll teach her exactly my techniques. Then you can sell her the same products that you use on her. So it's a win-win. You like, you get more for your buck. You understand what I'm saying? So next topic. The next topic is kind of tedious, but my last tip, my 7th tip, freelance. Like, as a freelance makeup artist, once you're seasoned in and your work actually speaks for itself, your prices are, how would I say, your prices mirror your work, then you can make unlimited amount of money. Because when I say your price mirror your work, you do have upcoming makeup artists that kind of overprice themselves, so it kind of set them back in not getting a lot of clients, to be honest. So make sure your prices mirror your work, and once your work look good and you have a particular target audience, whether you want to target brides, whether you want to target photo shoots, whether you want to target video shoots and all of that, you have a particular target audience, you can make unlimited amount of money. I know Jamaican makeup artists that make 7 figures freelancing alone. Source of freelance. So imagine if you were offering courses, you were freelancing, you monetize your social media, you do little, say for instance, you do really this makeup on social media, but you do something else. Say for instance, you do vlogs or you do lifestyle content and you monetize that. But because if you offer masterclass, you don't want to show your techniques on social media for free, if you understand what I'm saying. So that's my take on how you can make 7 figures as a makeup artist in Jamaica. Worse if your prices are based in USD or if you're getting paid in USD. You can make it. You can. Disclaimer though, disclaimer, not because I come on here and say you can make 7 figures, it doesn't mean it's going to happen overnight. And I don't want anybody to target me and say, oh, she's a millionaire. I'm a millionaire in the name of Jesus. I don't reach 7 figures yet, so just leave it right there. But I know these work, because if you have noticed, a lot of makeup artists are offering a lot of one-on-one classes. I don't know if you guys notice, but it's the top thing to make money. Top thing to make money this year as a anyway, because if you don't have a clients in your chair, how else do you expect to make money? You understand what I mean? So that's why I left freelancing for last, because you don't have to freelance. Probably you have been a freelancer before, or you're a resale makeup artist and you do social media here and there. Excuse me, you do social media here and there. If you don't have customers in your chair, what are you gonna do? So you have to find ulterior motives, and I've given you guys six tips differently from freelancing on how you can make 7 figures for the year 2023. Not even say for the year, but you can make 7 figures within a month. 2023. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you guys would like more videos like this, and if you guys are interested in the makeup that I'm wearing in today's video, then the makeup tutorial should be up after this video, but I'll link it down below. And on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time my girl upload. If you want more videos like this, if you want more informative videos like this, if you want more financial videos like this, comment it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. In the meantime, continue to be simply amazing.